welcome. This is Jamb here, 2011 government past question. Question number 9. The question number 9 says, a major weakness of Confederation is dash. A major weakness of Confederation is dash. Now remember that Confederation is the direct opposite of federal system of government. Federal system. Now, federal system of government posits that ultimate power, distribution of authority, distribution of resources flows from the national government down to its component units. But in Confederation, the component units are stronger than the federal government or the national government, while in pure federal system, the federal government or the national government is stronger than the component units. And because in Confederation, the component units are more stronger, they have the power to desist at any time. So option A now say lack of local independence, B, lack of common currency, C, over concentration of authority, D, tendency towards secession, that is secession. Secession means to break out. Secession means to break out. So, and that's why the 50 states that make up America today, one of the states can just say it's no longer part of United States of America, and then it goes because America operates what we call confederalism, with the picture of federalism, but it was confederal in nature. So also, if Nigeria adopt this system of government, I bet you many years ago the Biafra would have gone. So the major weakness of Confederation is tendency towards secession, because the component unit can decide to break out at any time. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.